Looking for a Bling license plate frames? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 Bling license plate frames available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Bling license plate frames for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Ricoh Industries NFL Chrome license plate frame. There's a real good chance that you're a sports fan. And even if you're not a fan of the NFL, Ricoh Industries offers license plate frames for other sports including the NBA and MLB. These license plate frames feature the team name on the top and bottom, along with the team's logos where applicable. Constructed from sturdy metal with a chrome finish, these plate frames come with pre-drilled holes for easy mounting. Measuring 12.253 by 63, Ricoh Industries plate frames are officially licensed, so you can showcase your team spirit on your car. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list. We have the SunplusTrade stainless steel license plate frame with chrome screw caps. If you're looking for something more basic, but with some style, SunplusTrade offers a pair of polished stainless steel license plate frames at an affordable price. These feature a slim style design that will not block state tags and are manufactured from high-quality, rust-free stainless steel. Along with the 2 license plate frames, each order includes 4 screw caps, 4 self-tapping screws, 4 machine screws, 4 washers, and a small screwdriver. These are designed for US license plates with the frame measuring 12 1/43 by 6 5 163. At number 3 on our list. We have the HC Hippo Creation Bling license plate frame. For something that really stands out from the crowd, take a look at HC Hippo Creation's Handcrafted Bling stainless steel license plate frames. Available in white, pink, or champagne, these frames have over 1,000 hand-embedded SS20 clear rhinestones to give it a luxurious appearance. The frame itself is made of high-quality stainless steel with an edge grinding process for a rust-free finish. While a bit more expensive than other frames on our list, these are sold in a pair and measure 12.253 by 6.253 and will work with license plates from the US and Canada. The frames also include extra-length mounting screws for easy installation. Best of all, the company includes a 90-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the frame. At number 4 on our list. We have the Cruiser Accessories Daisy Chrome Painted License Plate Frame. Cruiser Accessories actually offers a wide variety of unique license plate frames, and you'll see a few of its products showcased on our list. This one is a chrome frame featuring a daisy flower design that has been hand-painted yellow and white. These are durable zinc die-cast metal frames that have been chrome-plated and then carefully hand-polished and painted. This product is designed to fit all standard 123 by 63 license plates. At number 5 on our list. We have the Cruiser Accessories Palm Tree Chrome license plate frame. Prefer something tropical and more relaxing? This other offering from Cruiser Accessories adds a tropical island flair to your car. Featuring royal palm trees in its design, this frame is also made from durable zinc die-cast metal before getting plated with extra heavy chrome and hand-polished to a brilliant shine. Like other license plate frames on our list, this is designed to fit 123 by 63 plates. At number 6 on our list. We have the Aggressive Overlays Genuine Carbon Fiber License Plate Frame. A sportier option is this genuine carbon fiber license frame from Aggressive Overlays. This is a thin frame made with 100% real carbon fiber and features a nice UV clear coating on top. Included with this carbon fiber frame are 2 types of screws and black cover caps for a sleek finish. The clear coat gives this frame a wet carbon fiber look in case you want to make sure it matches the rest of the carbon fiber accessories on your car. The one-piece construction ensures a consistent weave pattern on the frame, while solid carbon resin ratios make it nice and durable. It's also available in 2 different styles, depending on how many holes you need. At number 7 on our list. We have the Bell Automotive Black Paw Print License Plate Frame. Here's a frame for dog lovers from Bell Automotive. This hand-polished metal frame is protected with a clear UV overcoat and will fit any standard license plate or front decor plate. There's not too much to this license plate frame besides its paw print design, but it does come from Bell Automotive, which is well known for manufacturing racing helmets, emergency kits, and other various interior accessories. In other words, they're not just some random company manufacturing license plate frames. Bell Automotive is in the industry of creating quality automotive parts. At number 8 on our list, we have the shark tooth black painted metal license plate frame. Does your car have a more sinister appearance or style? This black painted metal license plate frame features a shark tooth design that will surely stand out from the crowd. It's made of die-cast metal and has a black plated finish designed to fit 123 by 63 license plates. At number 9 on our list, we have the Airstrike Retro Flower license plate frame. This retro flower license plate frame from Airstrike is extremely colorful, with an eye-catching vibrant design and sharp details. Manufactured from high-quality aluminum, this plate frame promises to be rust-free. It features a thin flat design, so it fits perfectly over your license plate and doesn't have a lip that can scratch up your bumper or paint. Sold individually, no hardware is included with each frame. This plate frame measures 12 1/43 by 6 1/23. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Cruiser Accessories Hunting License Plate Frame. Our last frame from Cruiser Accessories is truly unique. Molded and designed to show the detail of an authentic gun with scope and bullets, this plate frame is perfect for enthusiast hunters. At the bottom of this frame are pivoting fastener caps with epoxy stickers containing one deer and one elk in the crosshairs of a scope. It's a durable zinc die-cast metal frame that is powder-coated matte black. The scope on it is detachable, while the outline of the frame is hand-painted orange. To finish off the look, ABS black plastic fastener caps are included. Each order includes one frame, 2 set screws for gun, and one black fastener cap with a plastic cap retainer. This frame is designed to fit standard 123 by 63 license plates. If fishing is more your thing, Cruiser Accessories also has a fishing-themed license plate frame on the same product listing. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.